Hi kids, how are you today? I hope you are all okay. So today we are going to learn a new topic. So let's start. Our topic is about sound energy. Sound energy. So what is sound energy? Sound energy is a form of energy that can be heard. Okay, so it is a sound that you can hear. Okay, so let's have our vocabularies. Number one, sound. Sound. Next, energy. Energy. Okay, so you should have an energy to do your work or to do your activities. Okay, let's read. Sound, energy. Okay, so let's learn some things that produces sound. Okay, so what are the things that produce sound? Okay, number one, drum. Drum. Next, guitar. Guitar. Okay, let's read. Drum. Guitar. Okay, very good. Next, another things that produce sound or you can hear a sound is speaker. Speaker. Next, alarm clock. Alarm clock. Okay, let's read. Speaker. Alarm clock. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's some examples or activities. Let's have. Okay, so activity, right? Yes, it is if sound energy, and no, it isn't if not sound of energy. Okay. Okay, is this sound of energy? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Okay, very good. It is. Yes, it is. Next, lump. Is this a sound of energy? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Can you hear sound in the lump? Okay, it is. No, it isn't. Next, is this a sound of energy? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. When the telephone ring, can you hear sound? Okay, it is. Yes, it is. Next, flame. Flame. Is this a sound of energy? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Can you hear sound in the flame? Okay, it is. No, it isn't. Okay, so I hope you learned something in our lesson for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.